Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the 10 amazing benefits of Vaseline. This budget-friendly magical product can effectively replace the need for multiple expensive beauty products in your skincare routine. Let's dive into the secrets of using this magical product in this quick guide. Let's get started. Eyelash growth. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to clean lashes nightly. This natural conditioning may promote eyelash growth over time. Be sure to use caution to avoid contact with eyes. Makeup remover. Use Vaseline to remove stubborn eye makeup. It's gentle and effective at breaking down waterproof mascara and eyeliner. Under eye care. For under eye care, gently apply Vaseline before bedtime. Its hydrating properties can reduce dryness and fine lines. Lip balm. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your lips for a glossy and moisturized look. It can also help heal chapped lips. DIY face mask. Combine Vaseline with other ingredients like honey or aloe vera for a hydrating face mask. Nail care. Apply Vaseline to your cuticles before a manicure to make them easier to push back and to protect the surrounding skin from nail polish stains. Prevent split ends. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the ends of your hair to prevent split ends and keep them moisturized. Smooth shaving. Apply Vaseline before shaving to create a smooth surface and help prevent razor burn. Long-lasting fragrance. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to pulse points before spraying perfume to make the fragrance last longer. Foot softener. Apply Vaseline to your feet, especially on rough areas like heels, and cover with socks overnight for softer feet. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. If you have specific concerns, chat with a dermatologist for personalized advice. See you soon. Beasties.